Right, welcome back everybody. Here again, doing a bit on the P6. I'm a bit late getting over here today because been out to buy a few bits and pieces, mainly of which is to do with putting the manual gearbox in it. Because, as I mentioned in the last episode, that I was going to use a 2 litre pedal box. But now I've been and picked up this, not sure what you can see, but it's a pedal box out of a V8, and I've also got the bracket, the linkage and everything to fit it on to fit it on as well. So instead of using that pedal box there now, I'm going to use this one. As you can see, give it a clean up and everything, obviously. With that bracket, I've got a new master cylinder anyway. Although that, there may well be nothing wrong with that one, but even if, I'd still need the rod from it anyway. And also, with all the stuff, I've got a reservoir which has got 2 outlets because I need one for the brake and one for the clutch, whereas mine's only got one because once again it's automatic. And there's loads of other little bits and pieces as well. Some new offset. Well, I'm not sure what this is. I think. Bear with me. I'm guessing this is an oil pump gear, I would imagine. Well, I haven't looked to see what it says on the box. I presume it doesn't say on the box. An OP shaft. One of them, and there's another gear in box down there as well. So whether I ever need that or not, I don't know. Something else here as well. Not sure what these bits are. Once again, don't know. No numbers on this box. It is an Austin Rover box though, so might be oil pressure relief spring, maybe. Not sure. Anyway. So anyway, this is putting me all behind the day, so I haven't even started welding yet. But as you may remember, I'm putting the outer sill on today, hopefully. That's my plan for the day, is to try and get this on. And once that's on, once that's on, then that's the floor and that finished. Alright, I'm not going to film all the welding anyway, because it's just pointless. So, right, I'll crack on, get that welded on, and then I'll be back. So I've just finished welding in the outer sill. As you can see, like I said, not complete inner sill, outer sill I mean, but it is seam welded all the way along. And then up there, I was just going to plug weld it at both ends at the top. I decided to seam weld it there as well. The more welding there the better. And then if you look underneath, I actually plug welded it from inside, except for a couple of little places sort of under the seat brackets and inside the box sections. Get the light and put it inside of the car so you can see. All plug welded along in there, all nicely now. All the way along. like I said, I've plug welded it from the inside, apart from like under that box section and under them two seat mounts. It's also plug welded down inside that box section there, and then once again plug welded up from underneath just inside of there, because obviously I can't go down from above. So yeah, that's the outer sill on. So next is the two jacking points and the pillar piece. I'll get a bit of protection on this, I think, and get a bit of paint inside of here before I close it in as well. But yeah, it's all good, it's coming along. I won't have to lie on the floor too much longer, hopefully. Well, it's a pretty short video today, but yeah, right, so I didn't carry on and do this piece like I said I was going to, although I did chuck some, what did I chuck on there? Brain's gone. Stone chip, that's it. Just a coating of stone chip on there just to cover the rust. So you've seen all that, all welded along nicely. Just chuck some etch primer over that for now, and then I've just repaired this corner here and put a new piece in for the door rubber. So yeah, that's about it today. Oh yeah, and I've just cleaned up a bit down in there as well. But yeah, sorry not to film much, but I'm just really trying to get this welding done. And what we're going and picking them bits up this morning, I haven't really got as much done as I'd like, but never mind. At least the outer sill's on now. Obviously the inner sill's all done, the outer sill's done. So yeah, it's pretty much the floor done now. Just the jacking points and the bottom of that centre pillar. But we will try and get a bit more done next week. Right, anyway, if you're still here, thanks for watching, and I will be back again soon. Right, cheers.